Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk.
Hello beauties and welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabiola. If you don't know me, I create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos every Wednesday and Sunday. So make sure to click that subscribe button, click notification bell below, and follow me on social media. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's video. So today I am back with one of those videos that I really love. I have a girly haul video and I did shop at different stores. So I do have something from Bath & Body Works, Victoria's Secret, something from Express, and even something from Chanel. So I am so excited to share with you what I got. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is Victoria's Secret, and I'm so excited that I went there because I was able to find something that I ran out of, and that is my coconut scrub. I love this. This is like my holy grail. I get these all the time every time I go there because I love them. So I did buy this new one. It's the bronzed coconut with coconut milk soothing body polish. It does have like little exfoliating beads and it smells incredible. So delicious. It smells very similar to the original one, the cocoa scrub, but this one here has more of like a beach kind of vacation scent. It smells really good, definitely great for spring, summer. So I got this, and then I also got the original one, which is my favorite. It's the cocoa scrub coconut oil. I do have like extremely dry skin, and this just seems to hydrate my entire body and I love it. Like if you haven't tried this, you have to. It is amazing. So I got both of those, and then I also ended up getting some of their panties because who doesn't need those? And I did get this really cute one that has like little like lemons, super cute and pink. This one here with like a leopard. And then I did get a lot of pink, actually, a lot of pink. I got this one here with like little polka dots, super cute. And I got another one with lemons, but this one is like in a lighter shade. So adorable. I got some, like, I think these are called hip huggers. It's like a black one, and I love the back. It has that like ruche or ruching detailing in the back, which is adorable. I did also end up getting the same kind, the hip huggers, all in black. And then I got this one here with beautiful lace detailing here on the top, which I think is absolutely adorable. And to switch it up a little bit, I also got a lilac one. So not everything is pink. I did get some black and lilac. And then the other thing I got from Victoria's Secret I am so excited about, and that is this gorgeous tote bag. Isn't it so pretty? Like, I am in love with this tote bag. This is definitely going to be my go-to tote bag for the summertime. It is made out of cloth and it is really nice. It has a lot of space inside, and it also has this strap that you can use as a crossbody. The inside is very, very spacious, and I cannot believe the price on this. This here says that it's $68, but when I got it, it was on sale. I believe it was like $25, which I think is an incredible deal. I don't know if this is still available. I think it's sold out pretty quickly, but I am like loving this tote bag. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Love it, and it's in that perfect shade of pink. So every time I go to the Victoria's Secret store, I always end up going to Bath & Body Works because their store is literally across from Victoria's Secret. So I did get a candle, and I also got something for my car. I got this candle here because I've heard a lot of good things about it. It's the strawberry pound cake. Oh, you guys, this smells incredible. It smells like fresh strawberries, birthday cakes, everything. It smells like a delicious bakery store. I am loving this so much. I don't know why I've never tried this one before. I always tend to get like the champagne toast or other like kinds of candles, but I decided to try this one. I'm so glad I did because it smells incredible. I have a feeling that this is going to be like my favorite now beside the champagne toast. but it's beautiful. It's pink and it's perfect for spring, summer. I also got something for my car. I got this little clip that just clips onto your visor, and then I got some scents for it. So of course I had to get the same one as my candle. I got the strawberry pound cake. I also got the watermelon lemonade, and of course champagne toast. But this little clip here is adorable. It has little pearls and rhinestones, and it's just super cute. You're supposed to just open this like that, and then you insert one of the fragrances in there. So I'm very excited for this because I need something so that my car smells really good. And that was everything I got from Bath & Body Works. I also wanted to share with you something that I got from Chanel. Well, it's actually from The Real Real. So The Real Real is a website that has authentic, pre-owned, and new items from all kinds of luxury brands, and I've always wanted an SLG from Chanel. So I decided to get a wallet. So I'm a little bit confused because on their website, in the description when I bought this, it said that it included a dust bag and it also included the box. So what I understood by that was it was supposed to be like the original dust bag and box, since this is brand new. I didn't buy it pre-owned. But when it arrived in the Real Real dust bag. So I am a little confused. I'm gonna reach out to them again because I did reach out to them the day that I received it, and I still haven't heard back from them, and it's been a week. So I'll have to reach out again. But the one that I got is this beautiful little wallet. It's absolutely gorgeous. It is in the lightest shade of pink. It's like a super light baby pink. It is so soft. It is lambskin, and it's the quilted one. I'm not too sure of the name. I'll have to link it down there below. All I know, it's the 2020 Mademoiselle card case wallet. So I'll link it down below, but it's gorgeous. It's like perfect. And it has the Chanel logo here in the front. So beautiful. And the way you open is just, it snaps, and you can put cards in here. It's very spacious actually. You can fit a lot. You can also put more cards in this little compartment. But as you can see, it is brand new. It even came with the tag. So this here retails from Chanel. It retails for $8.95. Like, that's insane. I would never buy something that expensive. But I did find it at an amazing price at The Real Real. And then on top of that, I did have some site credit because you can sell your pre-owned luxury items to them. You do get site credit. So that's what I did. And I ended up getting this because I've always wanted something from Chanel, and it's gonna look beautiful also here in the back. So I got that. I'm so excited. Hopefully they reach out back to me and tell me what's up with my bag, my dust bag, and my box, because I want it. So the next thing I got are some high heels, and I got these from the brand INC Inc. These are from Macy's, and I got them because I thought they were beautiful, especially for the summertime. And this is what they look like. They are black, but they are this, like, I think it's like a PVC see-through material. It's gorgeous, and it's like really soft. I thought it was gonna be hard, but it's really, really soft. Very, very comfortable to walk in, and I love these because these are going to be great to wear with like spring dresses or anything cute, like some jeans. So I did end up getting these beautiful shoes, and then of course I shopped at my favorite store. You guys know what my favorite store is. It is Express, and I did end up getting these adorable tweed shorts for the summertime. Look how cute these are. They're like so beautiful. These are like very dressy, which I really love, and I love the fact that they have like the little cute buttons in the front. So I did get these, and I also got a tweed skirt. This one was on sale. I believe it was like about $29. It's all black and it has gold buttons in the front. Haven't used it yet, but I thought it was just so pretty, and you can never go wrong with tweed. So I ended up getting that, and then I think that was all that I got. I also got something from Forever 21, and I did go because they have their Juicy Couture collection, which I will do a video, like a completely separate video for that, because I did get some really cute items in store as well as online. But I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got from Forever 21, just from their regular line. So I got this beautiful white eyelet dress from Forever 21, and it's absolutely beautiful. Like, I'm loving it so much. It's all white, and it's that like kind of material that it's like this like stretchy material, but it's beautiful. It just literally like hugs your body, and it looks so nice. And it has this like eyelet detail here on the sleeves as well as in the front. But I am so excited. It's like a mini dress, but it's not like super short. It's like the perfect length, and I'm so excited with this dress. I think this was like only like $18, which I think is great. Really good material. I'm like so excited with everything from Forever 21 because I feel like their quality has really improved. I did stop shopping there for a few years, and then I started shopping there again recently, and I'm so glad I did because they definitely did step up their game, came out with really cute items. So that was everything that I got for today's girly haul video. Stay tuned for my next upcoming video. I do have a collaboration with my bestie Joey, so stay tuned for that. I think that video should be going up live probably on Wednesday, so make sure to stay tuned. I love you all so much. Have an amazing rest of your week, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.
I wanna hold you close, don't wanna take it slow. Ooh, I just want you now. I wanna put you in that spot.